At an age when most children are learning from textbooks, these students are preparing for space. From Hyderabad, a team of 17 school students of Blue Blocks Montessori School, aged just 12 to 15, have achieved what few classrooms ever imagined. They have designed and built a flight-ready CubeSat payload for ISRO's PSLV C-62 mission. Their project, SBV-1, has been officially cleared by ISRO and will lift off on January 12 at 10:17 am from Sriharikota. This is not a model, not a simulation. The students assembled hardware, soldered components, wrote firmware, and enabled real-time telemetry entirely on their own. Working under a learning framework called structural autonomy, they didn't wait for answers, they engineered one. As one of the students said, "We didn't want to just watch a rocket launch, we wanted to be on it." From a school in Hyderabad to a rocket bound for space, India's future is not waiting, it is already flying.
Let me give you a little insight into why satellite. So when our children were in grade 4-5, when our eldest children were grade 4-5, they had already designed some very interesting drones for which we had applied for patents. And then I and Munira, we were discussing if they have already done patents, innovation and patents in grade 5, how are we further going to challenge their minds when they come to high school? And in that conversation, with multiple conversations we had with our team, we said, how would it be if our children build satellite and send it to space? And since 2020, we have been working towards how do we introduce this entire space program to our children. So in 22, we signed up with IIT Hyderabad design team to design space lab at Blue Blocks. So we have a dedicated space program and space lab at Blue Blocks, which we started designing in 2022, and we launched this in 2023 on the same day when our Chandrayaan 3 was landed on moon. And luckily there was a company called Take Me to Space, which happens to be in Hyderabad, which happens to be started by one of our own parent, Ronak. And this company, Take Me to Space, builds satellites, real satellites, and sends to space. So when I approached Ronak, he was very excited. He said, I want to talk to children before we look at can they really be part of a satellite project.